This is a next weather alert from CBS News Miami.
I'm meteorologist Dave Warren. A gusty wind, that's the reason for the alert. We'll continue that till 2 o'clock in the morning, and then I think we will be able to end the alert. The wind will die down. The rain not quite as heavy over the next few days. It's moving with the breeze. This is what we watched all day today, that gusty breeze working its way south with the heavy rain. Now all we're left is these quick moving showers. The rain has pushed south, but the wind remains, and that will continue to gust across the area. What we're looking at with our next weather alert is just that wind advisory goes till 2 o'clock in the morning. Now the wind gusting 40, 50 plus miles an hour. It should be calming a bit overnight tonight. Really gust as quickly as soon as that rain cleared out of the area. Showers will linger just a bit to the south, but it seems like this up and down the coast. And the rain is clearing out, but we are just continuing to see the showers move through the area. Our next weather rain tracker does pick up the activity. It's working south. Put the forecast, what you can expect tomorrow morning when you step outside. We'll keep about a 50-40% rain chance in the morning. Showers moving with the breeze, but we're overall lowering the rain chances over the next few days. One thing that we will continue to have is that gusty wind that will stick with us for much of the next weather 7-day forecast. Now each night, the gusty wind along the coast dies down. You see the interior section dying down as far as the wind gust goes, but right along the coast, about 25, 30, that's what you can wake up to tomorrow morning. As the wind slows a bit, you could get a few showers developing, but with that strong breeze, everything moves through the area, and it'll continue right from the east to northeast over the next few days. Wind about 25, 30 miles an hour. Next weather radar tracks the showers moving to the south, lingering just a bit in the upper Keys, southern Miami-Dade, right along the coast. You might get that mist or a few light showers, but the heaviest rain moving out. So we'll try to get a little break over the next few days from the heaviest rain showers. Temperatures will be stuck in the 70s overnight tonight. May struggle to climb out of that tomorrow with that gusty wind right from the northeast. Next weather rain tracker overnight tonight. Showers lingering a bit across the Keys and the southern Miami-Dade. Now, a few showers start to pick up tomorrow, but we don't see that solid area of rain like we've had over the last few days. There's that breeze coming in from the northeast, and these will be passing showers. That's in the forecast, as well as that gusty wind, at least over the start of the weekend. By the end of the weekend, we do get a little drier air coming in. You actually take the rain out of the forecast, day about 4 or 5 in that next weather 7-day forecast. We'll add an advisory likely to the Keys, not in effect tomorrow, but there is one in the Atlantic waters. The rip current risk remains high. Surf is about 1 to 2 feet. Wind about 15, but we'll see higher gusts there, especially each afternoon. Next weather 7-day forecast has temperatures right about 80 with lower rain chances, and then clearing out for the rain. Some drier air comes in, but the breeze sticks around. Temperatures will be about 81, 82. We'll take the wind out of the forecast day 7. With that lighter breeze, we'll push that temperature up to about 83.